Hey guys, what's up? It's Dean. Welcome to Manful Yoga. In this video, I'm going to show you something that you can do to help strengthen your rotator cuff. So when you have rotator cuff pain, we're going to go over here. But when you have rotator cuff pain, the problem is lifting your arm overhead, right? So lifting your arm overhead, putting on a shirt or a jacket hurts. So what you want to do is avoid lifting or actively lifting overhead like this. But what you can do is you can do passive lifting and then you can do pulling. So one thing that I really like to do, and I get rotator cuff pain from time to time, and this is exactly what I do. So I'm gonna go grab a band, make sure it's a resistance band, light. You don't wanna have a super heavy band like this one, right? This is a lot, so I'm gonna have like a red band like this. I'm gonna grab it, I'm gonna keep my arms low, and then I'm gonna let the band kind of lift my arms up like this, right? So I'm not actively lifting my arms up, I'm using the band to passively pull my arms up. And then I'm just gonna do some horizontal rows like this. And as I'm doing these, I wanna focus on squeezing my shoulder blades together, keeping my shoulders down and back, pulling my elbows as far back as possible and in tight toward my side. So Kat, if you actually wanna come around back here and you can kind of see what I'm doing with this pull. So you wanna make sure that as you're pulling, my elbows aren't flaring out like this. I'm keeping them in tight and keeping them down near my hips. All right, so I'm not pulling like this, keeping the shoulders down, pulling the elbows back and squeezing in. And I'm going really slow and controlled with this. The point of this isn't so much to, exhaust me. It's more so to help exercise those muscles, to help open up the chest and address those root causes of why it hurts to lift your arms overhead in the first place. So use that. You can do this on a daily basis. I would go with something like 3 by 15 or even 3 by 20 reps. And focus again on time under tension, just going really slow and controlled and focusing on those muscles around the shoulder blades, right? So you can kind of see in my back, it's kind of like a trapezoid, right? So those are the muscles you want to work when you're doing these horizontal rows. And that's going to help you not only get over rotator cuff pain, but also prevent it from happening in the first place. And that's it. I've got a program on Bulletproof Your Shoulders on my website if you're interested in learning more, but you can do that to help. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like the video if you found it useful, and I'll see you on the next video.